Hello, Untitled TWS, new products in JBL. We were hoping to get the whole lot in one go to do this multi unboxing here, but we're going with the second consignment that just landed. So we have got the Quantum TWS and the Tune Flex earbuds, and of course the headphones, the Tour 1. So let's start with these. So you've got ANC 50 hours high-res audio, wireless true adaptive noise cancelling. That's what's on the side there, and on the back you've got ANC, smart ambient, smart audio and video mode, extended 25-hour battery with silent now, hands-free voice control and accurate voice control for mic technology. 10-minute charge to give you 3 hours, and that's your expected life with ANC on and off, which is more realistic of the company to put that on the box, as there is a difference having the ANC on. So you've got your fast pair as well, OK Google, Alexa built in, and Bluetooth 5.0. Right, let's pop these open first and see what these look like. But we've already seen these at the launch in Dublin, but now we have more time with them and we can give you a full, real, hands-on review of all these products on TWS Ireland, which we do when we look at the app, the whole lot that goes with it, and that kind of stuff. Okay, so designed to inspire, JBL Harman. Open up the package, it's nicely protected with padding, and in here we have a booklet. So let's have a look at that. So this is just your quick start guide, your warranty and all that kind of stuff. So we'll pop them to one side for now. So as you see, you have a nice hard case with a pouch up on front, and it's a hard case, a nice finish, strap and a zipper, which of course has JBL on it. So let's have a look. And inside, this is what we get. Okay. Nicely finished headphones indeed. Now these are one of the ones that stood out for me at the Dublin launch. Really loved the look of these and the feel of them. You've got that nice finish on them as well. You've got Tour marked on it there. You can see our mics on the bottom. You've got your Bluetooth switch. 3.5mm, and you have got your plus and minus here, which will control the tracks. You've got another button on this side here, your LED light there, and your USB-C port, and you can see left and right there on those, which appear to be mics, which is really cool. So you got some protection in the cups as well, and you can see left and right on them again, and deep enough as well with nice soft padding, and they move in and out like that there, so you can see more in there. Again, a lovely finish on them. So you've got Tour 1 on the sides. They've got metal ratchet system here, metal and plastic, which is good and solid. And you've got a nice padding on the headband there. No creaks. Overall look really cool and an excellent finish on them. Very premium looking indeed, and indeed feeling too in the hands, yet still very light. Okay, of course they fold up as well, like so. In here you get a double adapter, which is handy. You get your 3.5mm jack, one slightly angled with JBL on them, and of course your cable as well, which is flat and tangle free with JBL again written on both ends there. And of course you've got the orange finish on the inside on both, which is excellent. And that's basically it. These cards say anything else? No, just left and right. Okie dokie, so we'll pop them to one side. Next up, JBL Tune Flex, perfect fit, pure bass, zero noise, 32 hours, 8 and 24. Active noise cancelling, crisp clear calls. So you got JBL pure bass sound, active noise cancelling, 2 mic with smart ambient, crisp and clear calls with 4 mics, water resistant with comfort secure fit. So again, you've got your Google, fast pair, eco-friendly packaging. 10 minutes gives you 2 hours of charge, which is good. ANC 6 plus 18, 8 plus 24. So that's again a more realistic approach, which is good. And on the side here, it'll give you some more information. Of course, you got your app, and the same for the headphones as well, I presume. And that's basically it on the box. So let's have a look at these ones. Okay, so your 2 separate compartments again. Alright, so again you've got your booklets in there, nothing else inside. So we will just pop them away, close this back up. Okay, so this is a different idea. So you got your sealing tips in here and your cable. So the cable again, this time around is orange with JBL, and of course it's finished with the orange on the inside, which is cool. And over here you have got what appears to be a nice little case with tips. Alright, so this is pretty cool. It's the first I've seen a case come with tips and a pair of earbuds, which is really nice. So you've got your different sizes there, small, medium and large, which is excellent. Nice idea there. And how do we do this without tearing on? Just peel this off on the back. So smaller case this time around. Screw them up. Okay, so this is a different kind of case here. So it's got JBL Tune, it's flat on the back there as you can see. Your port down here for charging, JBL up in front, you have your LED lights inside here. And that's what it looks like inside. You can see you've got the LEDs coming on there straight away. Nice opening and close mechanism. And these got a nice matte black finish, which is really cool as well. Now, you can see here on the ends how they look. They do look like a bit like AirPods, but that's what they look like anyway. Pretty cool. Nice finish on them, left and right marking there, and that's what they look like. Really cool indeed. So we'll pop them in, make sure they're in the right way, close over like so, and that's it, job done. Strong magnets, not going to pop out, and again you can see some LED lights up in front there. And finally we've got the JBL Quantum TWS. So this is what we're looking at here. So you've got JBL Quantum Surround, JBL Dual Source, 24 hours, 8 and 16. So these are compatible with your gaming products as well, PS4, PS5, Switch and so on. True adaptive noise cancelling, 2.4 GHz, low latency, wireless. Right, on the back you have Alexa built in, OK Google, fast pair, perfect calls, 6 mics, true adaptive noise cancelling with 4 mics with smart ambient, water resistant, IPX4 secure fit, and JBL Quantum engine compatibility. 15 minutes to give you 3 hours, ANC on and off, 16 and 8, and that's pretty good. Okay, let's open these. And one and one. Nice presentation again, and you can see how they're going with their presentation in general overall. So in here we have got, let me see, our tips and our cable. Again, same orange cable and same kind of tips there. Pretty nice. And up here is the headphones themselves, or earbuds. So one and underneath. Once again, we've got our booklets, all that kind of stuff in there. So just hang on to those should you require any assistance. But with all of our reviews, and when we have these reviews individually, we will be going through the app and all that kind of stuff there. So you can have some idea if you're still looking to purchase some earbuds. Right, the case, bigger case this time around, JBL up front. You have got your sensors in there, and you've got this guy in here, which is excellent. So you can pop that into your console, or whatever the case may be, for faster latency, which is a great idea. So here is the earbuds themselves up close from the front. You can see they've got, again, a matte finish. Nice silver accents down on the bottom for the mics. A nice design on the side. And you've got your connection points there, right and left. And you can see that they're stem shaped as well. And a little bit bigger than the previous ones we just looked at there. So let's pop them into the case. Again, you've got your LED lights up in front there. You've got your USB-C port on the back. And a little design accent going around the side there. And that's basically it, and what they look like. And that wraps it up for a quick first look and unboxing of the latest from JBL, which we look forward to testing out. So as per usual, any questions, drop them below. So we've got the Tour 1, Quantum TWS, the Tune Flex, the Reflect Aero, and of course we have got the Quantum Stream mic as well. So a lot to get through there. And again, for your questions down below, and I'll talk to you in the next coming weeks with the reviews, and we'll answer any question you might have. Thanks for watching, and thanks JBL again for sending all these over for us to check out, and we'll see you very soon.